I just video for a bit of time. Once I solder something, and go over to the other side. Okay, this is the board. So this is the end product. It's like so the artificial intelligence behind this system and the electronics is what we do here entirely. So